What's going on, everybody? Tech Kiki here, about to get my review of the Samsung C03 microphone that I got, like a desktop microphone. I finally got me one. I didn't get rid of my Samsung Go mic, but I finally got me a desktop microphone. And I'm going to go into the design and audio to tell you the difference between a regular built-in microphone on your laptop and the Samsung C03 microphone. Let's go and get into it. Let me start by saying this is a well-designed microphone. If you look at it, it's made out of pure metal, metallic metal, and it looks just like it came right out of the studio. I must say, I love how this microphone looks, and it's got a pretty good weight to it, so it's really solid in weight. It won't break on you so easily. Now, if you take a look at the bottom here, this is where the USB port goes. That's pretty much simple. Ain't nothing else more to it. It's just the USB slides right here at the bottom. And now we take a look at the back of the microphone, where you get your multi-pattern condenser settings. So you got Cardio and Omni in the back of them, so you can kind of get the front of the mic or all around, the front part of the mic and all around the microphone. So you can get the whole 360 around it, and you can just have the front coming from the front and coming from the back of the mic as well. Now, if you look at the front of the mic, the green light right there indicates it's getting power, and you got the dB settings, the volume settings, and for this entire video, I've been talking through my my Sony Handycam camcorder microphone. So we're gonna see if we're gonna hear a difference between this microphone from the camcorder and my Samsung C03U microphone. I'm gonna switch over to my webcam and my Samsung C03 microphone. See if you hear the difference between the two. I'm gonna switch over to them right now. And now I'm talking to you in the Samsung C03U. And if you hear the difference, you can really hear the clarity of the microphone. That's why I really like the fact that I invested in a desktop microphone, because the Samsung Go mic was a good mic, but it kind of felt distorted, and it made me real low at some time. So I really kind of like what this desktop microphone does. So I'm really happy that I invested. And it's $100, so you can't complain. I mean, it's only $100. There's some microphones like the Blue Yeti Pro that's for $250, but this one's a good starter mic if you really want to get your feet wet and really take getting into YouTube seriously. I definitely recommend the Samsung C03U, and the shock mount itself is $30, but you can get a package deal for $130. You can get both of them and for $130. So I definitely recommend it. And as you can see, the difference in the clarity of that microphone on my camcorder and my Samsung C03U is a big difference. You can hear it. It's just more clear, more rich, and more. I mean, everything is just a whole lot better. So I definitely recommend this mic. That I want to like I said, if you really want to take YouTube serious, definitely invest in the desktop microphone, especially this one. Like, it's only $100. You can't go wrong. It's a good starter mic. So this is pretty much the end of this review, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And I hope I got you to invest in the desktop microphone. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please rate and subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of my review video. And if you have this mic, do you like it? Do you like this mic, or you like the Blue Yeti Pro, or just the Blue Yeti? So it's different mics out there, but I definitely recommend it for $100. Can't go wrong. So I want to thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Oh yeah, by the way, I just want to say sorry for the fact that my webcam on my laptop is trash. It looks, I mean, I know I look terrible in this part, but I just wanted to show you the difference between the audio, and I really am sorry for the fact that I look so crappy on this webcam. But check you guys later.